Let's go.
He crashed into them, huh?
Yeah. Accident will happen.
This is not part of the routine. A little help, please.
Welcome to Ryan ToysReview.
Leader, stop.
Pressing forward.
Oh.
And he landed on his wheel.
Yeah.
He's gonna spin.
Speed spin.
Whee! Go a little bit faster.
Yeah, he's kind of slow out here, huh?
Are you ready? Come Marcus, let's go. Not mine, better and yours scratch.
Wheels up. Let's roll. Let's do an even better.
How do you do it by himself? Oh, he's going to the street.
Oh, Thomas, where are you going?
Whoa!
Yeah, whee, he's pushing it.
He pushed it down.
Oh.
Yeah.
This is not.
Start your engine. We both crashed too.
Yeah.
Ready, get set, go. I'm not on it.
Oh. Oh.
He can go by himself.
Yeah.
Go. Whoa, my gosh, too.
Whoa, look at that.
Stop them too. If you like this video, please subscribe. Yours fell and I did it.
Yeah, yours won. Mine fell.
Bye, don't forget to subscribe. See you later. Bye.